Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we will learn the continuation part of science revision. Chapter number 2 Plants, Structure and Function. First we will see stem. The stem grows above the soil. The length of stem gradually increases as the sprout grows. Now parts of leaf. Leaf base, stipule, petiole, leaf blade, midvein, vein, leaf margin, leaf apex. There are two main types of leaves, simple leaves and compound leaves. Now we will see parts of a flower, pedicel, calyx, filament, anther, style, stigma, corolla, ovary. Chapter number 3. Chapter name is Properties of Natural Resources. Now we will see importance of natural resources. Air. Clean air is important for all the plants, animals, humans to survive on this planet. Water. 70% of the earth is covered in water and only 2% of that is fresh water. Soil. Soil is component of various particles and nutrients. It helps plants to grow. As you seen in this picture, properties of air, properties of water and properties of soil. With the help of this figure, we can understand that air has weight. It has mass and weight. Now, atmospheric pressure. The molecule of the gases in the air are in the constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on that body. This is the pressure of air that we call atmospheric pressure. The great scientist, Swedish scientist Donald Bernoulli. In 1726, the Swedish scientist Donald Bernoulli put forth the important principle that the pressure of air decreases when its velocity increases, while the pressure of air increases when its velocity decreases. Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. The earth receives energy from the sun. This energy is reflected by the earth in the form of heat. Anomalous behavior of water. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Water is called universal solvent. Solute, the substance that dissolves, means salt. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolves, means water. What we get when the solute dissolves in solvent? We get solution. Properties of soil. Color is an important property of soil. The soil gets its color as a result of several processes. The color of soil near land surface is darker than the color of the lower layer. The colors are black, red, copper, yellow, gray. Soil texture. Soil contains particles of different size. The texture of the soil is determined the proportion of particles of various size. There are 3 types of soil texture: sandy soil, still soil, clay soil. Soil structure. The structure of soil depends upon the different shape of the particle in it. The fertility of soil depends upon the soil structure. The advantages of good soil structure: roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen, water drainage is good. Uses of soil: plant conservation to help plants grow, water conservation, soil hold water. Plasticity: soil can be given and required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Some useful types of soil: China clay, it is in white in color. Shadu soil, it is in whitest in color. Terracotta soil, this soil is red in color. It is used for decorative articles. Multani soil, the soil is used in cosmetic. Soil testing, the properties of the various ingredients of soil can be determined by soil testing. The Danish scientist Sorensen put forth the concept of pH based on the concentrations of hydrogen ions. To determine the pH of soil, a mixture of water and soil in the proportion of 1:2 is taken and tested using indicators. According to soil may be found to be one of the following three types: acidic soil, pH less than 6.5; neutral soil, pH 6.5 to 7.5; alkalic soil, pH higher than 7.5. Causes of diminished soil fertility: soil pH less than 6 or higher than 8, lower proportion of organic matter, no proper drainage of water, repeated cultivation of the same crop, continuous use of slain water, etc.